Tired of looking in the mirror and seeing that stubborn belly fat? It's time to take action. Learn how to get a flatter, more toned stomach by unlocking the fat-burning potential of these 7 unexpected foods. You probably already have these commonplace items stashed away in your cupboard, waiting to be put to good use. Get ready to say goodbye to belly bloat and hello to a slimmer, healthier you. Food 1, avocados. We begin with the luscious avocado. Avocados are rich in good monounsaturated fats, which aid in the reduction of belly fat by making you feel full for longer, so don't let the fat content mislead you. Additionally, they are a secret weapon in the fight against excess waistline fat because of the high fiber content. No matter how you serve it, spread, slice, or scoop, this fat will make you want more. Food 2, Greek yogurt. It's not just a high-protein snack, it's also loaded with probiotics that help balance your gut bacteria. And here's a little-known fact. A healthy gut is key to a flatter belly. So grab a spoon and get ready to fight fat from the inside out. Food 3, berries. Though little berries have great power to blast belly fat. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, all loaded with antioxidants that can help lower inflammation, which is sometimes connected to stubborn fat around the waist. They are also low in calories, sweet and fulfilling, and a triple danger to belly fat. Food 4, green tea. More than just a relaxing drink, green tea is loaded with catechins, a kind of antioxidant that increases metabolism and accelerates fat burning, particularly around the belly. Pour yourself a cup and sip your way toward a slimmer waistline. Food 5, eggs. Another superpower in terms of combating abdominal fat are eggs. Low in calories and high in protein, they prolong fullness and aid in resistance against mid-morning snack attacks. The worst part is that compared to meals heavy in carbohydrates, eating eggs for breakfast can actually help you drop more belly fat. Talk about beginning the day in perfect fashion. Food 6, chili peppers. Developed a taste for something fiery? Your new closest friend could be chili peppers. They include capsaicin, a chemical that warms your body and increases calorie burning. Yep, even the obstinate ones sticking to your belly. Put some heat on your food and experience practically a burn. Food 7, dark chocolate. Startled to find chocolate on the list? High in antioxidants and rich in cocoa, dark chocolate can help you truly reduce your need for sweet snacks. A little slice will satisfy your sweet taste and aid in control of abdominal fat. Go ahead, indulge a little, the darker the better. And here you have 7 shockingly effective foods to help scorch that stubborn belly fat.